Now, there are in fact two different kinds of bankruptcy, and it depends on what kind of situation you're in and what you're trying to accomplish. For some of my clients, what they need is what's called a liquidation. In a liquidation, in that scenario, you're talking about someone with a lot of credit card debt or other kind of debt that would be considered unsecured in a bankruptcy. Normally, these kinds of debts include consumer debt. They include debt that arose from a medical condition, legal bills, anything you may owe to a professional. You may not have a lot of property in this scenario. In that scenario, we're talking about a Chapter 7 liquidation. These bankruptcies last 3 to 5 months at most if they're done correctly. And at the end, you obtain what's called a discharge. In other words, that debt that I just spoke about is no longer legally owed by you. There's another kind of debt that's called a reorganization. There, you're dealing with an issue where you're trying to save property. You're trying to save either usually a home, sometimes a car. You've fallen behind on that vehicle or that home, but you do have a steady income. In that scenario, bankruptcy gives you the opportunity over a 3 to 5 year period to pay back that loan. Normally what the bankruptcy courts want you to do is they want you to keep current on that regular monthly payment while taking your disposable income to use that to pay back what you owed in the past. What kind of bankruptcy you choose, again, depends on the kind of goals you have, and they may or may not be feasible depending on your unique circumstances. So it's very important you contact a professional before you begin the bankruptcy process. I can be found online at uribelawfirm.com, U-R-I-B as in boy, E, L-A-W-F-I-R-M.com. You can reach me by phone, 949-290-1265. In addition, you can also reach me by email at daniel@uribelegal.com. That's Daniel@URIBELEGAL.com. Thank you.